Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are looking at cooking math. And the first thing is chicken curry. So your recipe to make chicken curry makes enough for 4 people. You need to make enough for 12 people. The recipe says you need 200 grams of chicken, 1 teaspoon of salt for every 100 grams of chicken, 2 tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of yellow powder, 1 medium-sized chili for every 500 grams of chicken, 1 cup of yellow beans for every 200 grams of chicken. How much of each thing will you need to make enough for 12 people? So I'm going to give you a bit of time to work that one out. So you need to pause the video because I'm going to go ahead now to the answer. So the answer. First, we should calculate how much of each thing we need for 200 grams of chicken. And we already know everything except salt and chili. For salt, we need 1 teaspoon for every 100 grams of chicken. There are 200 grams of chicken, so we need 2 teaspoons. For chili, we need 1 for every 50 grams. There's 200 grams divided by 50, so we need 4 chilies. And all that's for 200 grams of chicken. Step 2, we need to take the amount for 4 people and calculate how much for 12 people. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So we need 3 times as much as for 4 people. So we need to multiply the amounts for 4 people by 3. So 200 grams of chicken for 4 people times 3 equals 600 grams. 2 teaspoons of salt times 3 equals 6 teaspoons. 2 tomatoes times 3 equals 6 tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of yellow powder times 3 equals 3 tablespoons. And 1 cup of yellow beans times 3 equals 3 cups. So that is the complete recipe for 12 people. And the next one's about chili paste. So this is the story. 5 families will get together and make 2 kilos of chili paste. How many grams will each family receive? So I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer. So if you want to pause the video, now's the time. And the answer, okay. So we have 2 kilos and we have 5 families. So we have to do 2 divided by 5. 5 into 2 is 0, so it's going to be 0 point something. 5 into 20 is 4. So the answer is 0.4 kilos. But we have to say our answer in grams. How many grams in 1 kilo? And the answer is 1,000. So 1,000 times 0.4 equals 400 grams. And that is the answer. After they've made the 2 kilos of paste, one more family joined them. So now there are 6 families to share 2 kilos of chili paste. How much for each family now? And round this to the nearest gram. So the answer, 2 kilos, 2,000 grams of chili, divide by 6, 2,000 divided by 6, and you can see there's 6 into 20, 3 6 is 18, 2 left over, 6 into 20 again and again and again and again. So we have 333.33. We round it to the nearest gram, and that is 333. So that is the answer, 333 grams. After they make the chili paste, they freeze it before they give it to the different families. Before they freeze it, it is 20 degrees. In the freezer, it goes down to minus 15 degrees. How much does the temperature of the chili fall? And the answer for that one, so you can make a line and count like this. So with minus 15 on the left, going down, down, down till it gets to 0 in the middle, and then the pluses to the right going up to plus 20. And you can then count how many from minus 15 to plus 20, or you can calculate. You have 20 above 0 and you have 15 below 0. You have to add those two together. So you get 20 plus 15 equals 35, and that is the answer, whichever way you calculate it. And